So tired. Oh, I need to hurry and wash off. What's wrong with my face? Man, today I have an important meeting. Well, no worries though. Let's curl my bangs, tie my hair, and ready to wash my face. First step of my day routine is using the Klairs Rich Moist Foaming Cleanser. After washing the face with lukewarm water, I then pump twice the Klairs Foaming Cleanser and gently massage all over the face. Did you guys know that the amino acid-based cleansing ingredient is a component of protein, which can remove the excess sebum and keratin from the previous night? Not only this, but it contains ingredients such as tea tree extract and herbal extracts that are effective for relieving easily irritated skin. After you gently massage your face for 30 seconds with the foam, wash it off with lukewarm water. Start off your skincare routine with a wet face. First step of skincare is Klairs Supple Preparation Facial Toner and Klairs Toner Mate 2-in-1 Cotton Pad. There are two different types for this product, and it is the compressed cotton pad and the sponge pad. First, put an adequate amount of toner on the cotton pad and gently wipe the face. The Klairs toner is not only moist like a serum, but also mild and gentle. Because of its low oil ratio and effective absorption rate, it is great for dry seasons as it helps relieve dryness of the skin. This is probably why it is Klairs' bestseller. Then, use a sponge cotton pad again to use the toner. Now, lightly pat the toner for it to absorb into the skin. This step will help balance the skin's pH level, which helps with the next step in the skincare routine. Well, if you don't know yet, the method to maintaining long-lasting makeup is to make sure your inner skin is deeply moisturized and well hydrated. Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Serum. Use an adequate amount of soothing serum and gently massage all over the face. The soothing serum has the effect of lowering the skin's temperature and reducing redness. Also, it will fully moisturize the inner layer of the skin. Okay, now let me introduce a product that suits all skin types such as sensitive, acne-prone, dry, and oily skin. It is a product that has great moisturizing effect as well as a fast absorption rate, and this will give a fresh light finish. Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Cream. Here's a tip for flawless base makeup. It's important to have a solid skincare method, but also to use a cream which has the right water-oil balance. Use a pea-sized amount of soothing cream and gently massage all over the face. You may use more around the areas that are more dry, such as the cheeks and the chin. This cream helps calm and moisturize irritated and sensitive skin. It also helps lower the temperature for easily heated skin, which prevents irritation. This product contains effective moisturizing ingredients such as shea butter, ceramide 3, and lipidur. You can create heat with your hands by rubbing them together and then gently press the hands onto the face. It is non-oily, non-sticky, and tends to give a smooth final layer to the skin with a soft, moisturizing finish. The basis of acquiring healthy and spotless skin? Use sunscreen. Klairs Midday Blue Sun Lotion. Apply a small amount of sun lotion by using a sponge to put a thin layer all around the face. This sun lotion will help with sunburn, skin protection, and calming the skin. Use another layer around the areas that stand out, such as the forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. It is light, but at the same time very moisturizing. After you put it on, your face will feel fresh because it is not oily or sticky. This will also give a natural tone to the skin, as well as give your makeup a long-lasting effect. Next is base makeup. Klairs Mochi BB Cushion. Press the center of the Mochi cushion and gently tap around the face. This product is light with high coverage, so you can easily cover away any redness and pigmentation. Due to the balm-type formulation, this product helps fill in pores and helps with evening out the skin tone, giving it a fresh finish. Yay! A final touch, resulting in a smooth, glowy, and perfect skin. Finish getting ready. Have a nice day! Night routine. Today was so tiring. I should hurry up and wash off so that I can hit the bed. First, need to wipe off all the residue on my face from today with a cleansing oil and a cotton pad. Klairs Gentle Black Deep Cleansing Oil. Wet the cotton pad in lukewarm water and squeeze out the water once. Pump the oil 1 to 2 times onto the wet cotton pad. Gently leave the cotton pad on your eyes and lips. Then, gently wipe away the makeup. Use another wet cotton pad and pump the oil 1 to 2 times and wipe away the excessive residue from the day. Afterwards, pump the cleansing oil on your hand and gently roll and massage around your face. This product contains black bean, an effective ingredient for sebum control with calming effect on the skin. It also is composed of an antioxidant, a natural oil that won't irritate sensitive skin while gently removing the makeup, blackheads, sebum, and waste. Gently massage on your face for 30 seconds to 1 minute and wash off with lukewarm water. It is a water-soluble formula, therefore it dissolves well with water. You will see that it dissolves completely and leaves a fresh, moisturized finish. After washing your face with oil, follow up with the Klairs Gentle Black Sugar Charcoal Soap for a second round of cleansing. Use lukewarm water with the soap and it will create a black and bouncy foam texture. Apply all over your face, then gently massage with your hands. The charcoal powder will effectively remove keratin from the face. The Moroccan Organic Gasul actually draws out sebum and residual, therefore you can deep cleanse your pores, and this will also help brighten your skin tone. The great thing about this product is that it contains pine oil and brown sugar, therefore your face will still feel moisturized after you have washed it. Nice. Start your skincare with a wet face. After cleansing your makeup, use toner on a compressed cotton pad and finalize your cleansing step with this toner. Finally, get rid of all leftover makeup and residue by thoroughly cleansing the skin. Pour an adequate amount of the toner on your palm, then lightly tap it onto the face. This will help with absorption and for the next skincare step. Shh, this is just a secret between you and me. Don't go around telling everyone. Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin Drop. Here is a serum to a healthy, glowy skin. This next step is for every skin type. It is a mild vitamin serum that does not irritate the skin. Use 3 to 4 drops directly on your cheeks, forehead, and rub gently with your fingers. Then, you can use the heat of your palms and gently press your face, kind of like when you're getting a facial massage. You will see that your keratin is eliminated, skin is brightened, and acne hyperpigmentations are reduced. By using it every night, you will see a healthy glow to your skin. Shh! This is a secret between you and me again. Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin E Mask. After using the vitamin C serum, scoop a small amount and apply a thin layer around your face. You can tell from the formulation, it's just like a pudding. It will easily melt in your palm and you can feel that it will stick right to your face. You want that special care effect? Just add another layer and it works just like a sleeping mask. Not only does the moisture last for more than 8 hours, 8 hours? Amazing, right? But it also helps deliver a deep absorption of the vitamin E serum, which in return brightens the skin and provides elasticity. Wow! Finished having a healthy, glowy looking skin. This has been my night skincare routine. Good night, everyone!